Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to add Google shortcuts on home screen. This is my home screen, it's a new page, so I want to add Google shortcuts here. I press down on it and then to show this, the next thing you do, tap on widget and then search for Google. Here it is, open it up and you choose which of them you want. So you can use this, this and this. So you choose the one you want. Let's say I want to use this, tap on add and it will be added to your screen. I don't have this, so I have to go back and add something else, but it's there anyway. Here it is. Now you can choose something else. Let's say I want Google itself. I tap on this and tap on add, and here it is. You can change the position, make it smaller, make it bigger. Now when I tap on it, just moves straight to Google. It's as simple as that.